To check your transaction history on Outlook 2026, follow these simple steps to navigate through the application and find the information you need. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Ensure you are logged in with the account associated with the transactions you want to check. Step 2. Access the account settings. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings to open the Account Management options. Step 3. Select the account. In the Account Settings window, you will see a list of your email accounts. Click on the account for which you want to check the transaction history to highlight it. Step 4. View Transaction History. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or Manage Transactions within the account settings. Click on this option to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Review and Export. Once the transaction history is displayed, you can review the details. If needed, look for an option to export or save the transaction history for your records, typically found at the bottom or top of the transaction list. Now you can easily access and manage your transaction history in Outlook 2026. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the application.